friends, let's talk about top 3 hot crypto wallets for holding your crypto assets. Such issue is of great relevance today as the security of the assets really matters. Please watch the video till the end where you will find out more about not only hot wallets but about cold and most secured one. Let's get started. The first one, Metamask. This is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. Metamask equips you with a key vault, secure login, token wallet, and token exchange. Everything you need to manage your digital assets. Download it from the official website. The most specific feature and advantage of Metamask is that it will serve you as a browser extension, so we recommend using Google Chrome. Get started. Create a wallet. I agree. Enter the password. This is the secret recovery phrase. You should write it down. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Then confirm your secret recovery phrase. As you download it and create a new wallet, you can open it from here and enter the password. This is the Ethereum mainnet network. Add main networks from here. Adding new one, you should enter all these parameters, available just through googling, for example, Binance Smart Chain contact address. We need all this information to add new network. Just copy it. We just have add Binance Smart Chain network. Next important thing is manage your tokens and adding ones. Be aware you're doing this in proper network. While importing tokens, you should enter address, symbol and decimal, available in BSC scan website for each existing token. For example, we would like to add bridge network token. We Google this information, token contracts. Usually all we need is token address. Now we just added bridge network token in Binance Smart Chain network. Finally, the functionality of receiving and sending tokens. This is how it works. Here is your address inside proper network. Everywhere it's the same. Let's use Binance Smart Chain network and send some tokens. Let's send BNB tokens. Green light means that such address exists. We enter the amount. You should have small amounts of networks tokens on your wallet to pay transactions fees. They are very low. This is the transaction hash. We recommend using Metamask as #1 crypto wallet. Another secure and simple to use wallet is Blockchaincom. Registration is quite simple as well, but much longer than of Metamask. Sign up. Here you enter all your personal data. That's all. Get started. Here you should verify your ID. This is a secure procedure that ensures your assets. Entering personal data, then passing the selfie identification through uploading ID card or driving license, and entering payment methods. Otherwise, you can't start using the wallet. Here you can trade, receive and send tokens in any network. For example, we are sending BTC, we choose amount and add address. Here we can trade, buy, sell, swap, deposit and withdraw. The only disadvantage is longer time of verification. The very special feature is that blockchain has its own trading exchange where you can buy and sell crypto. This is how it looks. To receive tokens, here you can copy address of any network and receive assets. For example, private key wallet of BTC. The fees are also quite low and account is highly protected. We recommend using Blockchaincom. The next wallet is Pair. Pair is an e-wallet that can be used to fund accounts in professional earning programs. This tool has a built-in exchange office that allows you to make payments between many different systems. The special feature of Pair includes the irreversibility of all transactions. The registration consists of 3 stages, very simple and fast. Create account. Here you see your account. Save the data for access, displayed here. There are assets available in your wallet. Left menu will navigate you. This is all you need. You can add token here by choosing the network. The advantage of this wallet is simplicity in navigation and high security. Using this wallet, you will hardly use Google or instruction to catch the functionality, as it's the simplest in understanding from the very first sight. To send the assets, use this tab and be sure you are entering proper network and address. Here you choose network, here you enter address, stipulating the amount and send. Here you can trade. Here you can observe your transactions history. As I promised, let's talk about cold wallets. Cold wallet or cold storage wallet is the hardware device to store Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency offline. It is the most secure way to store cryptocurrency. Cold wallet allows you keeping your assets isolated from the web space, making cyber attacks and hacking impossible. To start using Ledger, you should purchase the device, making the order at the official website and download the app. The first time you use Ledger Live, it will help you set up your Ledger device and app. Ledger Live stores your accounts and settings inside your PC or mobile device. Accounts will need to be set up again on the secondary PC or mobile device. We recommend using Ledger as one of the most popular and secure cold wallets.